Hello everyone. Today we are going to study our first chapter, Computer Memory and Storage. Dear children, you would like to know how a computer reads and remembers so many things. Well, it is quite simple. Like human beings, the computer also has a memory. The memory stores all the data and instructions required by the computer. First, we learn about the memory. The place where information is stored, it is called computer memory. This is the structure of computer memory, and there are two kinds of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Each memory has their own parts. First we learn and know about the primary memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory or internal memory of the computer, where data and instructions are stored. This memory can be directly accessed by the CPU, and it is also divided in two parts, RAM and ROM. First we learn about the RAM. The RAM is a temporary memory in which programs, applications and data are stored randomly inside the CPU. It is called random access memory. The RAM data remains for the time till the time computer is switched on. If switch off the computer system, then the data gets deleted from the memory. Suppose you are working in MS Paint and drawing something. Suddenly, your system turns off because of low battery. You have not saved your drawing. After charging your laptop or system, when you restart your computer and you find your drawing, it is not there. It means that when your laptop was turned off, your data also deleted. Next, ROM. ROM is a memory that cannot be changed by a program or user. It is also known as read-only memory. It is a memory from which information can usually be read. Now, we talk about the secondary memory and its part. There are so many parts like hard disk, USB, flash drive, CD, DVD, memory card and Blu-ray disc. First we learn about the secondary memory. This type of memory is referred to as an external memory. It is called secondary memory. In that memory, data and information is stored permanently. First we learn about the hard disk. A hard disk is a fixed disk. It is fixed inside the computer. It is made of metal plates, and these plates are coated with magnetic material. Hard disks are generally available in 80 GB to 500 GB and capacities. Due to large storage capacity, it is preferred to store all important data into the hard disk of the computer. Next, CD, compact disc. Most popularly known as CD, consists of tracks and sectors to store pictures, sound, videos, clips or any kind of data. They are read-only memory devices. If we want to store our files and folders on them, we need CD writers. Next, we will talk about the DVD. The full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc. It is very similar to a CD but can store much more data in comparison to a CD. Now we will talk about the USB flash drive. USB flash drive or pen drive is a memory stick which is of a pen top size. This is also known as USB device. This device is attached outside the computer at a place called USB port. It is recognized by any computer as a removable drive. Now next, we will learn about the memory card. A memory card or flash card is an electronic flash memory data storage device used in many electronic devices including digital cameras, mobile phones, laptops, MP3 and MP4 players. They are small, re-recordable and able to retain data without power. They can be accessed by the computer using the multimedia card reader. Now we will talk about the Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a new type of optical storage device designed to supersede the DVD format. The plastic disc is of the same size as DVDs and CDs. The name Blu-ray disc refers to a blue laser used to read the disc, which allow information to be stored at a greater density. It can store up to 25 GB of data, but to read and use the data, you require a Blu-ray disc player. Now, we will discuss about the storage capacity. All the information, data and instructions inside a computer get stored and processed as numbers. Computers use only two digits, 0 and 1. This is called binary code and 0 and 1 are called binary digit. Memory of the computer is measured in bits and bytes. A bit is the smallest unit of the memory of the computer, and information that can be processed. A byte is a combination of 8 bits. It is the basic storage unit in the computer memory. 1 byte means 1 character. A character can be an alphabet, number or a symbol. This is the table of memory size. If you go for higher memory space, then unit will be changed. Like that, 8 bits is equal to 1 bytes. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. So on. So, dear students, repeat and revise all the things. Thank you.